Hey guys, if you remember the Born vs. Fun video that we did, I'm going to be ruining my sister's slime that she did from last video. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna be bad. If she walks in the middle of this is gonna be bad. Like bad. Oh, maybe I should add some paint into it. Sounds good. Paint. Add a little bit of paint. Add a little bit of paint. Paint. Come on, paint. Come on. Oh. Ooh. She's gonna be so mad. Should I add yellow to it? Oh, that would be disgusting. Oh, I got it on my finger. What do I do about this, guys? Bag. Oh, just paint all over my finger now. Alright, so I'm gonna see what her reaction is when she comes in. I'm sure my dad snapped. I don't know why he snapped. Probably needs something. Okay, I'm getting bored of the paints. Alright, maybe we should add in, maybe I should add in a lot of this, or not a lot, but add in some of that just all over the green. That is gonna be a horrible slime. I'm gonna mix it. Oh, how do you mix this? Well, I mean, it's already a slime. Oh, hey, maybe you should add in this slime. Actually, no, it never. Oh, it's green. I'm gonna add in some ugly colors. She's gonna be like, if she even walks in. When she walks in, wait, where'd the lid to that go? Where in the world did the lid to that go? I'm just gonna mix it now. Oh, no, the bowl. Oh, it's gonna be like a bloody green. It's cracking so bad. Oh, ow! Looks like I poked a hole through the bowl. Oh, guys, look at that. Maybe actually, should I add in some lotion? What if I add in a little bit of my Fanta? I'm just kidding. Should I? No. Maybe I should. What if I add it? Oh, that's almost out. Now I'm just gonna pour in some baking soda. I did it on the complete wrong side. Oh, she's gonna be so mad when she sees this icky, yucky slime. Oh. Time to add in more colors. Oh, why don't we add some of that? Or you know what? Here. Oh, I'm gonna add some shaving foam. Forgot that was even there. Okay, I poured in a lot of shaving foam. Oh my. That looks like a torpedo of shaving. Oh. Oh. Oh, I need a napkin.
Brody?
Oh, jeez. I can explain.
What did you do to my slime? I love this slime.
I can explain.
It's like a big old hairball or something.
I can explain.
Ew,
Oh, so I wanted to do a video,
Oh my.
and I just wanted to ruin your slime because you interrupted my boring show. So I feel like I thought I should get payback.
Guys, look. This is, I'm gonna try to make this better.
Oh.
You know what?
Wait, should we do the same, like, in the same video? Or should we stop the video in a second?
They should try to see how I try to make this better, you know? Because I love this slime. No, you're gonna get that all over your hands. Okay, seriously, Birdie. Oh, that's slime. I thought that was shaving cream.
No.
See, you're getting it, Birdie.
Oh my.
Put it in the bowl. Put it in. No. Jeez, watch your hands. Look, it's actually kind of working. Very stiff. Birdie, I'm gonna get you back for this. I'm gonna get you back hard.
It'll come off in a couple of days.
Yeah. Guys, look what he did to his slime. I love this slime.
I shouldn't have done that.
You shouldn't have. Like, it's all teary now. I mean, what? He added in some very not good glitter. You know what? I can work with this. Then he added in this shaving cream too. You know what? I'm just gonna try to get all the shaving cream so I can prove that I can do this. You know, 'cause I know I can do this. So I can do this. It's easy, you know. I got this. Oh, it's all shrinky. Oh. What did he do?
Is it better?
No, look at it.
Oh, it looks like an octopus.
No, right? Like, did you seriously need to do this? Wait. Okay, that's good. Just add a new marker. This is so Terry. Terry? Watch. You added in lotion, didn't you?
My hands are pink now.
It's okay. You added in lotion, didn't you?
Maybe.
I hate lotion in my slime, guys.
It's so
It's the worst.
annoying. That's the
I
only
think this is the best I can get this slime.
Okay.
I'm throwing it away.
Go ahead, throw it away.
Okay, well, I'm gonna... Oh, actually,
What slime from paint? Maybe I should do this more often.
no, I don't think you should. Okay, you're gonna get payback soon. Okay, well, we'll see you later, guys.
Maybe I should throw away all my slimes.
You don't even have any.
Mm-hmm.
What slimes?
I have two white
There's
fluffy.
a wasp on the window.
It's not inside.
Oh. Birdie, show them.
Oh my goodness, guys, there's actually a wasp on the window.
That's a yellow jacket. That's a yellow jacket, isn't it? Okay, guys. So we will see you later.
Oh, flew off.
We will see you later. Bye.
Boy, make sure to check out our other channels and like and
Yes.
subscribe. Bye.
There's Audrey Cam.